Hi, I'm Paula Pascual, and today I'm going to show you how the Bright Rosa collection coordinates. You can get the flower bands in which you get the big ball flower with the band, and then the dies that will cut into the card as well as out of the card, and it layers all together. In this one you are also going to get a smaller flower that has got the different components, so you can build it up and layer it up. The border features the same type of flower but in a smaller sizes. You can then layer them up in the same way, including the centers. But you also get in the big border in which matches perfectly the sizes, so you can again layer them together perfectly. And you get the edges. So you can cut into the edge of the card either way, creating a gatefold or creating, for instance, putting it behind some vellum or acetate. Also coordinates with one of the panels in which the flower border will match perfectly those edge borders as well. But it works really well as well with that beautiful geometric pattern, in this case the honeycomb, as well as an outer die that will cut it out of the card. So you can choose however you want to do it. So if you want to create a lace into your card, or you want to create a panel that stands out. Of course, the outer die allows you to create your base card, which will be 3.5 inches by 7 inches. And also I wanted to show you the Worth a Sentiment dies that are in the Bright Rosa collection. In each set you're getting these bolder dies that cut into the card and then the outer die, so you can cut it as a sentiment, as a topper, or creating apertures into your card. They all have the same width and the same width of the actual words, so you can then cut them into the card, creating your own personalized message. Included in each set, there is a set of words that are done with a brushed script fonts that combines perfectly in a mix of both, like in here, where I use the love you. I'm Paula Pascual, and you can find my collection Bright Rosa at craftstash.co.uk.